Hi, I'm Ustanik, and this is my base tens project. Instead of base tens blocks, I used plates for my hundreds, pipe cleaners for my longs, and yellow puffballs for my ones. I got the plates from Target, my pipe cleaners and my puffballs from Michael's, and all of this together was about $6. Our first problem is 165 plus 256. 165, 256. So to start off, we're going to go to our ones place, and we are going to make groups of 10. So here's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now that we've made a group of 10, we are going to exchange this group for a long, and we are going to place it in the tens group. Now we will leave 1 left over in the ones column, showing that we have 1 group of 10 that we moved over with 1 left in the ones column. Now we are going to move into our tens column, and we are going to do the same thing. We are going to make a group of 10. So here's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have 1 group of 10. We are going to do the same thing, and we are going to exchange it for a hundreds or a plate, and that will leave us with 2 in the tens column, showing that we took away and moved over our plate. So we have 1 group of 10, and we have 2 left in the tens column. Now we move over to the hundreds. We see that we cannot make a group of 10, so we are just going to leave our 4 plates. Therefore, we will have 4 in our hundreds column. So we have 421. Now, our next problem is going to be 426 divided by 3. So we have our 420. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, we are going to be doing the same thing we did earlier, except we are going to divide it into groups of 3. So we are going to start over in our hundreds column and see if we can make a group of 3. We can, and here it is, 1, 2, 3. Here's our group of 3. We are going to leave it in the hundreds column, and we are going to exchange our leftover group, and we are going to replace it with a group of 10 longs. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to take away this. So we had 1 group in our hundreds. Now we are going to do the same thing in our tens. We are going to make groups of 3. Here's a group of 3, here's a group of 3, here's a group of 3, and here's a group of 3. We don't have any left over, so we don't need to exchange, but we do have 4 groups, and we're going to leave them in the tens column. Therefore, we have 4. Now we will move over to our ones. We are going to make groups of 3 like we've been doing. Here is a group of 3, and here is a group of 3. So we have 2 groups of 3 in our ones column. Therefore, we have 142 is the answer to 426 divided by 3.